Busch Gardens Williamsburg. I'm here. I made it. Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Got my ticket. And this has to go on the dashboard. In the parking lot now. And I try to hit Apollo's chariot a few times. Verbolten is the plan for today. Maybe 3-4 times with Verbolten. See how this plays out. Stick around. Got this nice pathway walking in. Look, you can see that's Apollo's chariot. And there's Tempesto right beside it. Very awesome. You can already hear it rolling. Walking in. There's the entrance. I scanned my card at the kiosk to get my daily rewards. And it's time to go through security. Hello. Welcome to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, England. Yeah. I love the architecture here. They do well in theming these places, don't they? Gift shops. I gotta go in this one over here to get some water for my trip. Nice. We got the horses out today, like always. It is beautiful here today. Let's go. First stop, Loch Ness Monster, right ahead. This is the warm-up ride for today. Let's go. That's a great shot. 3 in a row. Different roller coasters. This is where we're heading. Across these tracks. Loch Ness. First shot. Let's see. Here's the K for Loch Ness. Not much of a line so far.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Newell. And now, let us return to the wonderful sounds of the Fox and Pistol Body Band.
Gotta give me a ride near the back. That's the best spot. Always a great warm-up ride. Here we go. Loch Ness is awesome. I always got to come in. There's no line today. No line at all. I can get 2 or 3 more rides. My warm-up rides with the rest of the park. Look, nobody here today. This is wonderful. Pantheon. They got the animals out today. We got Fergus. Hello. How you doing, Fergus? And Henry's right here. Look at big Henry. Wow. Who's next? Got Eddie. Look at Eddie. They're all feeding, eating up nice. Big Henry. That's it. The rest of the animals are out enjoying the field. Oh yeah. You know I got to hit up Pompeii. This is always a go-to every time. Hit up Pompeii, get soaked, and go hit up some roller coaster rides and dry off. That's right. just rode Apollo's Chariot 3 times, and I'm heading back for a 4th ride. Here's the queue. You can see Tempesto. I'm walking on this queue for the Apollo's Chariot, and look at that. That's beautiful. You can see drop Tempesto. It's a nice view. Weekday, Wednesday. Hardly no one here. Short lines on every ride. Almost everything's a walk. And there is no line. No line. This is a walk-on today. I love Busch Gardens here during the week. Yes. Let's walk this K. If you haven't seen this before, stick around. It's like a little bit of line. Not much. Spoilers are ahead, man. Yeah, that's for Bolton, baby. I just rode for Bolton. Got 2 rides in. Going to get back in line for a 3rd. I want to see it roll out. Here they come. Bet you they're going to turn right. I had to turn right. See if y'all can see this. And where they go, and then they shoot into the building. For Bolton was awesome. I got 3 rides in. One of those rides I used my Quick Queue card. I had that thing for 3 or 4 weeks now. Finally able to use it. And I love the new theming. That ride is highly more addictive than it was before. Now, I'm in Germany. Let's go hit up Big Bad Wolf. Big Bad Wolf. The Wolf's Revenge. This has a long queue, long walk. I'm not gonna video the whole thing. Alright, walking up on Big Bad Wolf. Wolf's Revenge. Got a nice little walkway here. Again, not busy. Get to just walk right on this thing. This is fun. I gotta walk faster. I got so much energy today, I don't understand why, but I'm enjoying the day. It's getting hot though. Nice. I just got on Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. Standing underneath of the drop right now on this next ride. This ride is fun. It's not at all intense or intimidating, but it is very, very fun to ride. All right. Decided to take a shortcut across the park now. I'm on a sky ride. Still in Busch Gardens. This sky ride takes you from the kids area, which is close to Italy, which is where I was. But I'm gonna hike this over to France Nice little shortcut. And I get to see everything from above. And look at all that. So again, this is the sky ride from the kids area. I don't remember what country that is. It's actually in between Italy and England. Here's the Finnegan's Flyer. And there's Ireland coming up. That's the Finnegan's Flyer ride. Ireland right there. Looks like we're going back down. Oh, cool, look. We got Griffin's doing this thing. And you have all these other ones. Helping guys. Back into Griffin. That's where I'm headed to, is Griffin. Coming back down into the park now. Here's the cave for Griffin. And even Griffin is empty today. Nobody here. Another walk on. Nice. Gonna have some more fun. See this Invader? This thing is the roughest ride in the whole park. I am going to nickname this the chiropractor. It is so rough. Screw that thing. Alright, let's go for our water ride, the scoot. Getting near the end of my trip. We are in, well, I am in New France. Just rode Griffin a few more times. That ride is so much fun. So much fun. We'll walk through here. There's nothing much ahead of us. It's where all the animals are, the pets. They got the wolves and parakeets and the eagles. Nice little place to sit right here. I don't know about y'all, but that looks like poison ivy vines to me. I'm staying away from that. Oh, they got this nice mist machine going. That feels good. Oh, they got some concerts coming up. Oh, look, Beach Boys, Hanson. Hanson's already been here. We're in June. They just had Skillet playing. So Flo Rida's next, September. It's a heck of a spacing before nobody else shows up. Got the train. There's Grogan's. Best place to get beer around here. It's not my favorite. Okay, well, it's been a nice day at the park today, but I'm an old man. I'm tired. Heading out of here. So, for those that watch this, please like and subscribe. Hit the follow button and help my small YouTube channel grow. I would be very thankful.